This is a video tour of the HAS200 manufacturing system. Every manufacturing system starts with raw materials and produces a finished product. So let's take a look at the raw materials and the finished products for this system. These are the raw materials for the HAS200 system. There are empty boxes with either a multicolor label, a blue label, a yellow label, or a red label. There are also 3 different colors of plastic pellets. Then there are caps for the boxes once they're filled, and labels to print the date of manufacture. And these are the finished products. Boxes filled with blue pellets, red pellets, yellow pellets, or any combination of blue, red, and yellow. The pellets are dispensed in units of 15 grams, and the most a box can hold is 45 grams. So you can either have 15 grams, 30 grams, or 40 grams of pellets in a box. The HAS200 has 10 stations that are involved in the process of filling the boxes, capping them, labeling them, and either storing them temporarily in the system or sending them out of the system. I'm going to now go through each of the 10 stations to show you the function of each one. Station 1 puts a multicolor box onto the conveyor belt. To start the process of Station 1, I just press the green push button and pushes a box out onto the platform, picks it up using a vacuum gripper, moves it out, rotates, and places it on the conveyor. Station 2 takes a blue box from the blue box dispenser, fills it with either 15, 30, or 45 grams, and puts it on the conveyor. To get 15 grams, I push the green button once, 30 grams is twice, and 45 grams is 3 times. I'm going to push it twice for 30 grams. The box is now on a scale, which is weighing the box and dispensing the amount of beads that I selected. 2 dispenses for 30 grams. Station 3 does the same thing as Station 2, except with yellow boxes and yellow pellets. If I press the button now, it will fill the box that's on the conveyor with the pellets. I don't want to do that. So, in order for the blue box to bypass the station, I have to press this 4 times. Now that the blue box is out of the input gate, I'm going to press the button once to get 15 grams into a yellow box. Now I'm going to bypass both the blue and the yellow boxes from the red station. Station 5 checks the volume of the pellets. So if I press the button once, it will release one of the boxes, push it onto an auxiliary conveyor, and then push a plunger down onto the top of the beads to see how high they are. Now the measurement that was taken, which is in millimeters, is stored inside the PLC. At this point we can't see that measurement because there's no display here, but if we were on the server computer we'd be able to get the reading. Station 6 does the same thing as Station 5, except the sensor that checks the height is a different type of sensor from the one on Station 5. Station 7 puts a cap and a label onto the box. Station 8 stores the boxes temporarily into one of these cubby holes. So if I want to store one of those two boxes, I need to use a touch screen, and I do a box input, and I'm going to put this into position 12, apply, start. And I'll put the next one into, let's say, position 18. Now I can take them back out of the system. If I do a box output, I just have to enter the same numbers that I put in before. 12. And 18. Station 9 does the same thing as Station 8, except that it uses a horizontal platform instead of vertical cubby holes. So if I go to box movement, box input, and I'll put this in position 25. And the next one I'll put into position 34. Then I can take them out. If I go to box output, and then the last station, station 10, simply takes the box off the conveyor belt and puts it out onto a platform. When there are 4 boxes on this rolling platform, this gate will open and they'll slide down onto the metal area. So that's what the HAS200 does to produce these products. And there are lots of moving parts, lots of technologies involved: pneumatics, PLC programming, sensors, motor controls. We're going to be learning about all those technologies as we go through the course. We'll see you in the lab.